To sign in and start trading at the IQ Option platform, you must specify your personal information and your email. After that, you should select the type of account you want to use. In the main window, you will see a chart that displays the price movement of the selected assets in real-time mode. You can buy options all the way before the time to buy moment arrives. Expiration time indicates the moment when the option expires. You will find available trading currency pairs, commodities, indices, and equities in the menu of assets. Your expected profit is indicated as a percentage. On the Technical Analysis panel, you will find various tools of analysis. You will also find an option to choose the type of chart and the indicator called Trader's Choice. On the Trading panel, you will find the time at which the option will be expired and the total amount of your investment.
Buy a call option means that at the time of completing the transaction, the price of the asset will be higher than at the moment of purchase. Buy a put option means the reverse, that at the time of expiration, the price of the asset will be lower than at the moment of purchase.
Profit shows the amount which is to be transferred to the balance in the case of successful prediction. On the left panel, you will find Opened Options. Their expiration time hasn't yet come. Expired Options. Selection menu of possible trading assets. Top traders' stats and best deals. Future price movement prediction based on technical analysis, and relevant financial news. In the Account Management menu, you can change personal information, make a deposit, withdraw funds, and view transaction history. For real money trading, you must select a payment method and enter the desired amount, which is instantly credited to your balance. We wish you successful trading with IQ Option.